Hello friends and partners from SWF. I want to say welcome to you, and I want to introduce our newest product, and you can see here this is our belt hoist.
Makes it easy.
Why is the name belt? Belt is coming from here. You can see here there's a belt inside. The name of this product is the BH2. And there's possible with this to lift up to 2000 kilo. And you can see here what is the good solution for the belt is. It is oil free and also grease free. And a good thing is that it's without polygon effect. I want to show you when I move it. One moment, please. You can see here. We have two stepless possibility. One is the slowly and one is the fast. And you can see it is without any polygon effect. Okay, you can see here also is it possible to move it very, very slow and without any. Let's move softly. This is very good. It's a good thing to say. It's move very softly. Okay, what is also, we have a lot of options for them. We have stainless steel hook block, complete, and we have a lot of parts, covers, side blades and so on in stainless steel. The belt hoist is a good solution for a sensitive atmosphere when you have food industry or for the chemical industry or for electrical industry. It means chip, when you want to produce chips or whatever in the electrical industry, and also for the pharma industry. It's very interested for these solutions. And also we have for the power supply 380 volt up to 415 volt, and for the control voltage it's 48 volt up to 115 volt. We have a two-step hoisting motor. The hoisting motor have a self-adjustable brake inside, and the lifting height for this product is up to 4.5 meter and also to 9 meter. For the different reeving, we have a lot of different speeds to lift. And then you can see here also for the protection side, it's the overload device. You can see here the overload device. And inside the cubicle, I want to show you what is inside the cubicle. I will show. One moment, please. So I want to show you here inside the electrical cubicle. You can see here is the gear limit switch. It's approval technology, yes, it's very good. You can see here the Travo, all parts are plug and play, and also the wiring is with figures, and it's very easy to fix. Okay, also the complete hoist is very compact, and also the Z dimension, it's perfect size for this product. Okay, I hope this was interesting for you. From SWF, they are also helpful to you. Okay, thank you, goodbye.
Makes it easy.